guys, and welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This one is for February, and this one's a pretty weighty, hefty box, so pretty much looking forward to see what all's in here. So, here is our little magazine, like the cover picture, it's lovely. Here we go, and love notes. Soft sweaters, nights in, watching Netflix, wintry things that seemed cozy 2 months ago have pretty much lost their luster by February. Well, one thing is most definitely not dull right now, the gleaming complexions of Allure Beauty Box subscribers everywhere. Your February box is the pick-me-up this time of year calls for. There's a sparkling palette for luminous makeup that's perfect for Valentine's Day, and so incandescent that it's impossible to open without smiling any day of the week. It's kind of that same happy feeling as when you open a big box of truffles. Plus, a skincare routine loaded with moisture to make you dewy, and one very dramatic mascara from YSL that brings the little bit of oomph we've been craving. So, first item is from Beauty Bakery, and you could have gotten one of the two items. They gave you the option to pick. You could either get the Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette, which I already have, so I chose the Beauty Bakery The Chosen Bun Eyeshadow Palette. They're $38 each. Why you'll love it in your box is one of these two Beauty Bakery staples. The Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette is a 2-time Allure Best of Beauty Award winner for its collection of 4 glimmering versatile powder highlighters. The pink, champagne, bronze, or gold add luminosity wherever you swipe it on, and each is gorgeous on all skin tones. The Chosen Bun Eyeshadow Palette's gleaming bronze, brown, and champagne shades are accompanied by 4 perfect matte neutrals, so you can get a full assortment of gleaming daytime or dramatic evening looks. So, for the eyeshadow palette, how you'll use it, sweep any of the glitter shadows over your lids, and then brush one of the mattes through your crease and along your lash line for a hazy, smoky liner. Okay, so let me grab that out of here and show you the palette. I almost went past it and was like, duh, you gotta show it off, girly. So, I already love the box alone. It's so cute and makes me so hungry. So, a dreamy neutral palette that serves and offers up variety. Go completely neutral, or go back for seconds and layer in shimmer or a colorful matte. So, they look like this. Look at these, they're so pretty. And the color names are Icing, Fresh, Gourmet, Aroma, Dough, Cinnamon, Sugar Glaze, Vanilla, and Brown Sugar. I am so excited to play with these. Normally, like, these very, like, natural, neutral palettes don't grab me, and maybe it's just the theming on this one, but I don't know, this one feels special to me. This one feels like they very much did it right. So, next, where's my little, there it is. Okay, next is the mascara. The YSL Beauty Lash Clash Extreme Volume Mascara. So, let's see here. This is a sample size, so we're clear. But the full size is $29. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure I have 3 now of this little sample size, so I'm good. I don't need to buy the full size. I got plenty in the samples. Why you'll love it. This mascara's secret for bringing on the drama is in the combined forces of its formula, volume-building, lengthening, jet black, and its oversized, yet easy-to-maneuver wand. The duo creates inflated dark lashes that look soft and fluffy, not spidery, yet bold. How you'll use it. 2 to 3 coats seems to be the sweet spot. If you pile on more and get a clump, easily remove it by gently pinching the lashes between 2 fingertips. You do realize that's like the trick to declumping any mascara, right? But you have to wait for it to dry, otherwise you'll just smudge all of it off. So just throwing that out there. The next thing, I think this is where the weightiness came from, is this guy right here. It's the D'Alba Piedmont Aromatic Spray Serum. Say what? So this is $45 for this item. Why you'll love it. The fast-acting antidote to indoor heat and cold temps, the things that zap skin of its radiance this time of year, is D'Alba's Refreshing Face Mist. It feels slightly cool going on and is packed with natural hydrators like rose water, avocado oil, and sunflower seed oil. There is one thing I noticed is not listed, so I'm hopeful I can use this. How you'll use it. Shake the bottle 3 to 5 times until its 2 phases blend together, and then mist the spray onto your face from about 7 inches away. Okay, so basically it's like the Pixie Glow Serums, is what I'm getting out of this. Okay. I should really read through the ingredients just to be sure, but just at a quick glance, I am seeing no coconut, so that is good. But it is a long list of ingredients. That big old paragraph there, that's the ingredients in this. Yeah, also makes me slightly nervous, not gonna lie. So, next up, this is also full size. Look at that bad boy! Look at that! This is the Tula Skincare, the cult classic Purifying Face Cleanser. $34 for this. Sweeps away makeup with ease and leaves skin feeling soft and fresh smelling. Why, you'll love it. Everything about this gel is a notch above the usual facial cleanser. Its soft, clean scent is a calming way to bookend your day, and the way the formula foams slightly in water makes it easy to rinse away without being drying. It leaves skin feeling clean and cared for, and helps soothe and soften dry spots with moisturizers like glycerin and safflower seed oil, which is especially welcome this time of year. Plus, the blue bottle looks so pretty in your shower. I'm sorry, who's doing their face cleanse in the shower? That's just I got up and washed my face first thing in the morning kind of thing, but I mean, I guess you could use a face cleanser in the shower. There's no reason you couldn't, but I guess I never thought of that. Well, my bathroom's blue, so this will look good anywhere in my bathroom, so just saying, like, my whole motif is blue in there. So, smooth a little over damp skin at the end of the day and whisk away makeup excess oil and grime. In the morning, its peaceful scent helps soften the blow of early wake-up calls. Okay, so it's like a use it in the evening kind of cleanser then. Alright, good to know, good to know. So then, I know there's another page here. There. Then we have... Oh boy, it's our favorites again, the Sweet Chef. Well, their masks aren't too bad at least, but most of the other stuff from them that I've tried, I have not been wowed by. So I'm like, oh, cool, cool. But at least it's just one of the sheet masks, and I haven't had a bad experience with those yet. So this is the Sweet Chef. I almost said Sweet Sheet. Sweet Chef Beet and Vitamin A Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask. So this is $3.50 for one of these. Why you'll love it. Developed by the beloved K-beauty brand Glow Recipe. Really, right now? Glow Recipe, you did us dirty and you're the ones behind Sweet Chef? Really? Oh my god, I could cry. I could fucking cry. Sweet Chef is all about products for fine-tuning your skincare routine. This sheet mask's mix of beet and retinol helps to smooth and soften skin and refine pores, so you're ready for parties, selfies, and more. How you'll use it. Lay the mask onto clean, dry skin and let it sit. A pretty glow is only 20 minutes away. After you peel the mask off, pat in any remaining serum without rinsing and follow with your new Sephora moisturizer. Okay. So I guess we know what the last item is. Yeah, there she blows. And it is the Sephora Collection Nourishing Moisturizer with Prebiotics. So, full size is $18. And it doesn't look like the full size is much bigger than this, because full size is 1.69 ounces, and this one is 0.67 fluid ounces. So about twice the size of this. That's not very big. Anyway. Well, actually, no, I take that back. It's more like, this is about a third the size of the main one, if I'm doing the math correctly. Ignore me, basically. So, why you'll love it. Like whipped cream, rich yet airy and totally indulgent, this moisturizer is serious enough to soothe winter-weary skin, but somehow manages to feel light going on. The fragrance-free formula has a pretty dewy finish and botanical oils, avocado, sunflower, and more, soften skin on the spot. How you'll use it. Smooth a little over your face and neck morning and night after using your Tula cleanser for a gentle skin-loving routine. Ah, And then we just have more ads for stuff that they sell in the member store, which we don't need to look at. So, anyways, that's what I got in my February box. Pretty good stuff this time around. Pretty good stuff, I gotta admit. So, anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel, you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.